Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So Euro USD is still very much on an uptrend, but look at the oscillators, it's hovering around in the middle, and look at the price action we've had the last couple of days. We are battling to get over this high here, that is 110.759, and the minute you come down to the hour, you can see these big ups, big downs. And looks like a bit of a flag here, but we're all right back in the middle of the moving averages here. There's two plays that could play out, and that's the one. So move down, consolidation for another move down, which is going to target this area here again, which is 109.715, or, and you'll probably see it on the 15 minute, you'll be looking for a move up to recapture this area here, 110.296, build a base from there, and then target this. Well, there'll be two areas, so we'll target this area here, which is 110.578, and then I think ultimately you'll more than likely get to 110.579. Reverse is true for the move to downside. You've got a bit of structure here, so this is the zone you need to pay attention to, and you can probably do it on the 15 minutes. So that is 110.249, 110.296. You're looking for a rejection there, or you're looking for price to get above there, build a base, and then eliminate this channel, or just keep in the channel to the top here, because this here could be a bigger channel. Anyway, toss a coin, I think, is probably the only thing that's going to get you moving here. Just finish off this one like that. And if the chart would work. Oh, come on. It doesn't want to work out, but you get my picture. You get my drift. Oh, there we go. There we go. So there's your bigger channel. So this could be a rejection for a move down. There's your target for the bottom of the channel, or it's a breaker of this bigger channel as well for a move up into that area. Watch this zone for either rejection or a break. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. Similar kind of picture here. The difference here is that this week has been chaotic. We're just going sideways in amongst the moving averages. Could be another flag brewing here. I'm not entirely convinced. Look at these tails that we've got at the moment in place. So yesterday was just big up and big down. Today's already been big up and big down. So I am sitting on the side. This is not something you want to be trading. So we'll ignore US dollar Japanese yen. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. We do have what's looking like a bit of a flag, so move down flag for a second leg down, which would more than likely target this area here. We'll get to those levels now. And if you look at this on the hour, yesterday was big up, big down, consolidation up, and now we are testing the moving averages here. So if there is a move down, you'll be looking for a target of 165.525, but I somehow doubt that. I think what you are in is a big range, and it's a fairly solid range. This is a strong area of support down here. There's a strong area of resistance, and this big up and big down that's happening now, obviously something's happened in Asia, but look at these tails. So it is trying to break down, but the buyers are coming in. I'm kind of reluctant. I think I will again sit on the sides. Something brewing with the yen, and you can see it in the US dollar yen, and I can see it here. So just to save my own sanity, we will leave this alone and have a look at it again next week. And lastly, Euro British pound. We've got pretty much the same chaos brewing here. This rejection up here again, 0.88653. Which is kind of what we were expecting yesterday, but now we're back with the moving averages. Now the question is, is this the start of something bigger to the downside, or is it just another retest? So if you look at the hour, we've broken through the moving average. You've got a crossover. Don't like the way the oscillators are for shorts, but there are two levels that we can look at to short off. In actual fact, three. Now that one's not going to work. There you go there. So ideally you'd be looking to short off 084411 or alternatively 088376. This level here is relatively strong as well, 088289, but for this I'd be on a 15-minute chart and actually just watch London breakout strategy. So watch the first 8 1-hour bars. If we stay below this and we kind of start rejecting this area inside there, then you're looking for a move down. First target area is going to be here. It's going to be at 088100. I don't think we'll get beyond that today, but that's kind of the setup that there is. Just wait for this area here, because you can see how strong that is. Even if you come back to the 8-hour, you'll see that zone. Look at all these tails that are in that area. So that's definitely the area I want to be shorting off. And in fact, we can just refer to this as a double top. So first target is going to be 088100. Second target, look for something that lines up with that double top. Very much there. Let's just pick that one up. It's going to be safest there. So that would be 088041. So that's kind of the setup that we've got brewing at the moment. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.